Do you really want to see what's in my nightstand? Ooh. Alright, I don't think I have anything to hide. Yours truly. That's it. God, look at my hair. I don't know why I would have that in my nightstand. Hi, I'm Dee and welcome to my channel. Ta-da! This is what my nightstand looks like today. Have the baby monitor here, my cell phone charging. Luckily, I was the lucky one who had the TV remote yesterday. Right, ladies? Come on, husbands, you gotta learn how to share. Just kidding. These did look really pretty during Thanksgiving, but obviously, yeah, that needs to be tossed out. I also have this monitor where Queen G, my mom, when she needs me, she just clicks on a button and this alarms me. But I need to replace these batteries because it was going off. This light kept flashing, so I need to replace those batteries there. My phone case, because it won't charge with my baby Yoda on there. I have a fresh bottle of water. And it's like really dusty. Ooh. J&I. And a book. So that's what I got going on at the top. Obviously, I need to put things away and all that. I mean, it's not really that bad, right? The baby monitor stays here. That stays there. That stays there. I can take this one downstairs, toss the flowers, get rid of the vase. This one needs to go downstairs because I need to replace the battery. I'm going to put this near the TV. Hold up, before I even forget again, today's video is actually a part of an open collab with my dear friend Sunday Dawn from the Helpful Home, and also all of the lovely ladies who participate week after week and special guests here on the Tiny Tidy team. The playlist is going to be in the description box, so make sure you click on that for some more Tiny Tidy motivation for you today. For me, I just sometimes don't have all the time to do all the things that I really want to do. It's really nice to actually participate in the Tiny Tidy Tuesday with Sunday Dawn each week when I can, is to tackle an area like today. It's a nightstand. I know it's not much, but a little bit always helps. Little progress is progress, right? And as a family caregiver, homemaker, you know, especially during the holidays right now, okay, there's not enough time in the day to get everything done. And that's why I love doing the Tiny Tidies with Sunday Dawn and my friends here on YouTube. It just really helps me tackle and focus on just a small little spot. And I think it's great for anybody who, like me, has little additional time within your whole day, or sometimes people just don't have enough energy. They might be experiencing chronic illness. I mean, anything, right? So I really just want to take this moment here to let you guys know it is an open collab. Do you really want to see what's in my nightstand? Ooh. Okay, this has never been seen before. Just kidding. Alright, I don't think I have anything to hide. Get my chair. Okay, I hope you guys can see. Right off the bat, I keep putting these type of lotions and cream for my knuckles. Look, they crack. They're getting really bad. Always in the winter time, especially as a family caregiver, I like wash my hands at least 20 times a day, no joke. So I've been trying different lotions here, and I've been putting it in here. This one was for my mom, and I think this was in my last decluttering. I placed those in there so I can use them. I haven't. This one is probably now a couple of years old, 3 years old. I'm just gonna go ahead and toss these out. I was hoping that I would use these more, But honestly, I keep forgetting to go in here. I rarely ever use my nightstand drawer anymore. They're brand new. They haven't been used. Do these go bad? I haven't opened these ones up. I wonder if I can just give these away. Maybe I should do that. Let me go ahead and give these away. But these ones I've already opened. I just don't use. This is a notebook diary. I sometimes like to jot down in here if I, have a hard time sleeping or whatever. I don't know why that's in there because my sister-in-law accidentally put a cup of water there. Sleep aid. I don't need, geez. Oh, yes. Bible from my mom. I like to keep that. Oh, look at me. Yours truly. That's, God, look at my hair. I used to have this actually in a frame. This is a healing card. I actually want to keep that with my Bible, I think. I have a notepad, which obviously I don't use, but they tell you sometimes if you have, a hard time to sleep to jot down whatever it is that's keeping you up. Yeah, that didn't work. Passport picture. Oh my. Look at that. Those chubby cheeks kill me, man. This probably needs to go down. The thumb stabilizer. I don't know. I hurt my thumb one time, so that helped. But that doesn't need to go in there anymore. Oh, this is actually an autograph for a book that is not in here at the moment. I have some pictures here of our beloved bear because I miss him sometimes and I like to see his beautiful face. This is my cheat Bible of prayers, my little cheat sheet. Let's see, flashlight. I don't know if this even still works. Let's see. Nope. So that needs batteries. Okay. I live in an earthquake territory, so batteries is like major. Cool, that one still works. Oh, I love this. This is my book light. This is a bookmark that I have not used, obviously, so maybe I can just let go of that one. Casino cards. That could be in the trash once I cut those up. Oh, this was the last thing that my grandmother gifted me before she passed. So that's something that's very sacred to me. So I like to keep that next to me. This is a lucky beam. Hey. But look, it's been smashed. North American Indian portrait postcards. Oh, pretty. But it shouldn't be in my nightstand, so I'm going to go ahead and relocate that one. Aw, my Bearsy Boo. God, I miss that dog. And then I have a little prayer to Saint Joseph. Another one, which I could probably let this one go then, because I have two of those. So I'm going to go ahead and let one go. Maybe I can give that one to my sister or something. Oh, look, another flashlight. Okay, I have 3 flashlights. And I have a garbage in here. I don't know why I would have that in my nightstand. Some things that you find in your nightstand, Dee. Okay, I'm going to put that downstairs. This one actually goes in my vanity with the rest of the stuff. And I have a pen, which should go with a night book. Oh, and my prize winner of a flashlight when I used to work for Caterpillar sale dealership. Love that job. I was in HR for them. This is a very expensive flashlight. And it's heavy, so it works as a dual purpose, if you know what I mean. Boink. So, yeah, I need to definitely keep this one on my bedside there. And that's it. That's not much, right? Nah, there's not much in there. And you guys thought there was going to be something in there, huh? Alright, there we go. I just placed my Bibles. my little journal book, my photos right here, so I can have that at hand. My notepad and a pencil, just in case. I mean, you never know. My flashlights are right here. My book lights right there, just in case if I need that. And I don't want to like mess up any mojo, so I decided to leave all of this stuff here, including the lucky bean, because really I don't want to take that chance of losing or messing up my luck. So that's all going to be right there. So that's it for my drawer. Now let's go in here, shall we? No, I already know pretty much what's in here. And it's my hot rollers. And to be honest, I don't use these anymore. In my last video, I said, oh, I'll just keep these because sometimes I do like to use my hot rollers. I haven't used hot rollers in a very, very long time. But I have like 2 sets, right? So I think I'm going to go ahead and let one go and then place this one. Or do I really want to keep it? You know what? No. We're just going to go for it and say no. Because if I haven't used this in 3 years or 2 years or even 1 year, I don't think I'm going to use this again. I mean, I got a large curling iron barrel. And I have these too if I ever want to blow dry my hair just to give it some fullness. So I'm going to go ahead and donate all of this. What? Yes. And I believe this is the lid. This is the lid. I'm not too sure. Why would I have 2 lids in there? I don't know. Okay. Here's my little hair trimmer. I should really use this for Queen G. She has such a short little haircut. This would work out great. I was a cosmetologist. I graduated the whole 9 yards. And like it says, clean rollers. But I like to have fun with this. I don't know. I still like to play with, you know, makeup and hairdos and all that stuff. I don't know. I want to keep those just in case. This is for my book light. I guess I can put my book light in there. And just put it back in here. And what else is in here? Oh, and this goes to my curling iron. But I really don't need to keep this box either. That's it down here. Voila. So I want to donate to those, relocate these items, garbage, and then donate. So that's quite a lot, you know, from that just small amount of a nightstand. Wow. So now all I gotta do is dust. Hey, before I let you guys go, I wanted to make sure that you guys are aware of my open invite collaboration for Christmas Cookies Collaboration 2022. It's going to be on December 12th. So if you're interested in joining, I would love you to join us. I mean, hello, who doesn't like cookies around the holidays, right? So make sure you don't miss that playlist, December 12th. There's going to be a lot of recipes on there. Thank you so much for joining me today. Remember to take care of yourself. I'm taking care of myself. Until the next one. Bye.